नमस्कार। इंडिया में खाने वालों की कमी नहीं है और खिलाने वालों का तो भी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। इंडिया इज द मोस्ट वाइब्रेंट कंट्री. India is adorned with colorful traditions, enriched culture, beautiful places, and astonishing history. But one more thing makes India unique. What is it? Spices. Indian food is the most important part of Indian culture. People say when you visit India, you should try this, you should try that. But do you exactly know what you should try? No, I am here to tell you that. Without wasting time, let's go on a food tour. Pulihora. Puli means tangy or sour in South Indian languages, referring to the characterizing use of kokum or tamarind as one of the main ingredients. Rice. Rice is a staple food in Arunachal Pradesh. Food and any other food is just a side dish. Khar. It is considered as the primary food item that is compulsory available in the large traditional Assamese thali. Liti Choka. The national dish of Bihar is Liti Choka. It is also the regional dish of Bihar. Liti Choka is its pride. Bafuri is a famous dish of the state which is cooked in chana dal flour. Fish curry and rice are the staples of Goan cuisine. Kandvi, one of the much loved Gujarati snacks. Kandvi is also known as dahi vadi or paduli and made with gram flour. Mixed dal is the staple food of Haryana, prepared by mixing 4 to 5 protein rich pulses. Chana Madra, Chamba and Kangra Madra is originally a delicacy that belongs to the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. The dish mainly consists of the soaked chickpeas or chana and vegetables. Chilka roti. It is popular roti in Jharkhand prepared using rice flour. Bisibelebath. It is also known as Bisibele Huli Anna in some parts of Karnataka. It is said to have originated in the Mysore palace and from there spread across the state of Karnataka. Puttu and Kadal curry. The Portuguese also invented the puttu or the steamed rice cake, which is one of the most popular breakfast dishes in Kerala today. Poha, super light and super healthy cuisine which is fondly eaten in all the parts of our country is given to India by Madhya Pradesh. A great bowl of poha can be enjoyed in all the parts of Madhya Pradesh. Puran Poli. It is undoubtedly on the most popular sweet dishes of Maharashtra. Puran Poli is prepared specially on festivals and everyone enjoys eating this delectable sweet dish. Chamtong or Kangoshi. This dish is very popular in Manipur. It is a vegetable stew. This stew is served with rice or fish and is supposed to be consumed piping hot. Jodoh. The name Jodoh is taken by the Khasi community of Meghalaya, the most popular dish from the land of the hills, Jodoh rice. This is one of the most popular dishes of Mizoram. The key factor of this dish is that it is prepared using lots of locally available herbs and spices. The food of Nagaland is known for its variety and simplicity. Naga food is considered spicy due to their love for the most famous king chili. Induri feed. Compared to other regional Indian cuisine, Odia cuisine uses less oil and is less spicy while none the less remaining flavorful. A match made in heaven, sarson ka saag and makki di roti is just the perfect example of a dish eaten daily in Punjabi households, particularly during winters. Dal bati churma is the one of the most famous dishes from the state. No Rajasthan food is complete without dal bati churma. Induri feed. Compared to other regional Indian cuisine, Odia cuisine uses less oil and is less spicy while none the less remaining flavorful. Idli, the best street food in Chennai, being the staple food of Tamil Nadu. Idli is readily available on almost every street corner. Sarvapindi is the staple food of Telangana for a healthy breakfast or snack option. Mui Borak is the traditional dish of Tripura. This dish is prepared from the staple ingredient of Tripura, that is Burma. Tikki Chole. It is one of the most mouth-watering delicious of Uttar Pradesh. Aloo ke gutke is one of the basic and most popular dishes in Uttarakhand. Aloo ke gutke is a simple preparation where dry spices are roasted and used. Luchi aloo dom is the preferred Bengali combination for a lazy Sunday brunch. हेलो, कैसा लगा जी आपको वीडियो? मुंह में पानी आया तो होगा ना? मेरे मुंह में तो पानी बारिश सब कुछ आ रहा है। देखो अभी क्या करें, बारिश का दिन है, लॉकडाउन का दिन है। खुद फ्रेंड लोग आके यहाँ पार्टी तो नहीं करने वाले, अभी खुद खाना पका के खुद खाना ही पड़ेगा ना। मेरी तरफ मत देखो आप, मैं आपको बना कर नहीं देने वाली हूँ, खुद जाके बना लो और खुद खा लो जी। सो अभी चलती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा खाना पकाने का टाइम हो गया है ना, सो इसलिए। सो दिस इज नेहा बड़गेर, शेफ एंड अ बिगेस्ट फूडी। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।